In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your navigation in WordPress, and it's a simple task that will take just about 5 minutes. Whether you're sprucing up your blog or managing a complex website, keeping your navigation up to date is crucial for a smooth user experience. Let's dive in and walk through the steps together. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and go to wordpress.com. This is our starting point for accessing the backend of your WordPress site. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top right corner of your screen and click on Login. If you're not already signed into WordPress, you'll need to authenticate your identity to gain access to your site's dashboard. Now, if you use Google to manage your login credentials, here's a quick tip. Click on Continue with Google. This option simplifies the login process. You'll be presented with a screen showing the Google accounts you've previously logged into. Here, simply select your Google account to proceed. This step is handy because it saves you from manually entering your username and password. Once logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand toolbar. You'll want to scroll down and click on Appearance. This is where you'll start customizing the layout and design elements of your website. After clicking on Appearance, look for the Editor option. This is the tool we'll be using to modify the structure of your navigation. With the editor open, you'll see various elements of your site's design. We're focusing on navigation. Clicking on Navigation will bring you to the section where your website's menu is structured. Here, you'll find all your existing menu items listed. At the top right corner of this section, you'll notice 3 dots. Click on these dots. It's a key step because it reveals more options for managing your menu. It's akin to lifting the hood of a car to see the engine, giving you control over the organization of your site's navigation. Once you've clicked on the 3 dots, you've unlocked the ability to manage your navigation fully. This is your hub for adding new menu items, deleting old ones, or reordering them to better suit your needs. Take your time here to drag items around and create a navigation flow that makes sense for your visitors. Remember, a clear and well-organized menu can vastly improve user engagement and help guide your visitors to the content they're looking for. And there you have it, you've successfully edited your navigation in WordPress. By following these steps, you've established yourself as a more effective site manager, capable of enhancing both the aesthetic and functional components of your website. Thanks for joining me today, and happy editing.